Hey guys, Taylor here. I'm going to show you how to get a really voluminous red lippy, which I think is so classic. Can never go wrong with a red lip, especially this time of year. So I'm going to show you how I get my plump red lips that everyone always asks me how I achieve. I'm going to go in with a really good lip liner. This is the Kylie Lip Liner in the shade Kylie. I use this just to add more volume to my lip and to help kind of seal in the color. So I'm just going to go apply it to my outer lip. And you notice how I'm being very light with it. You don't want to go too dark because you want it to blend into your other lip color that you're going to be applying on top. And I'm just going to go on the very edge of my lip. Okay, so that's kind of what that looks like. And now I'm going to go in with my new favorite red lippy. This is the Dior lipstick, and it is in the shade Dior Sunset 747. This stuff is so creamy. It's not drying at all, and it stays on for a good amount of time. And I just find that it's the perfect red lip. I mean, look at that color. So pretty. So this does go on and creamy, so you have to be careful to not use too much. As you can see, I just applied it on my bottom lip and then I smacked my lips together to get it to the top, because if I apply double layer, it will be way too much. So I just want one layer on the bottom, and then I'm gonna smack my lips together to get it on the top. This is an old mask I have, but you can take whatever blotter you have and just get some of that excess off, and you see, like, look how pretty and voluminous that is.